A very warm welcome to the Daily Crypto Vision, Jan Robert Schut of Crypto Academy. We see that the crypto markets are retracing quite a lot. It's a bloodbath as we speak, and it looks like coronavirus also has struck the cryptos. And Bitcoin is down 3.4%, Ethereum 5.96%, almost 6%, XRP 4.9%, Bitcoin Cash 6.7%. Bitcoin Stocks Vision as well, 6% lower, all into the red. This is not good for my positions on BBOD. All are turned into the red except Ethereum. And also, let's take a look which one. LTC, Litecoin is also into the green. But Binance Coin is quite a lot down, 10 euros here. So that's not nice, of course, but it's all in the game. So what we will do is to take a look for some positive news. And the crypto-friendly banking app is now one of the most valuable fintechs. And it is United Kingdom-based digital bank Revolut has raised 500 million again in a fresh funding round and tripled its valuation to hit $5.5 billion. This, as the Financial Times reported on February 25, makes the crypto supporting app one of Europe's most valuable fintech firms. In late 2017, since then, Revolut's app has enabled its users to complete transactions in cryptocurrencies that include BTC, Litecoin, Ethereum, and XRP. And in late 2018, the firm received a banking license in Lithuania. Actually, we're going to Lithuania in March again, which has paved the way for the transition away from prepaid cards towards offering a fuller suite of banking services. The new funding round was led by Silicon Valley venture capital group TCV, which invests in major tech players such as Facebook, Airbnb, TripAdvisor, LinkedIn, and Spotify. And TCV's 5.5 billion valuation of Revolut equals the previous record set by private European fintech Sweden's Klarna in 2019. In 2018, the firm has been valued at $1.7 billion in a funding round led by early Facebook and Spotify backer DST Global. Revolut, which has a user base of over 10 million, saw customer growth rising over 150% last year. Alongside its cryptocurrency and stock trading features, the firm is looking to expand into lending services and pursuing a UK banking license. And the UK is providing a highly lucrative market for disruptive banks, sometimes dubbed neobanks. You can also think of N26, for instance, and Bunk, with users soaring from 7.7 million to 90.6 million last year, according to a report released yesterday by Accenture. And the first half of 2020 could also herald the Revolut's launch in the United States, should the firm manage to clear regulatory hurdles. It has also been eyeing expansion to Latin American and Asian markets. As recently reported, Mark Hipperson, the co-founder and fellow UK-based neobank Starling, is planning to launch a new banking venture Ziglu in Q1 2020. And the bank will offer balances in multiple currencies, both fiat and cryptocurrencies, held together in one account, which can be spent globally using MasterCard debit cards. Hybrids combining the features of legacy banking services and cryptocurrency transactions continue to develop. And Coinbase this week announced its principal membership of Visa, and crypto-dedicated banks such as Switzerland's SEBA and Syngem continue to diversify their services. So this is very good news and nice news, of course, and you can read it also on Cointelegraph, one of my favorite sources. And finally, I would like to take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Here, of course, we see a retreat from the 10,000 level towards 9K. It's now trading 9,400. It's not that nice for my position. However, I keep faith in my positions, and actually for the dollar cost averaging portfolio, it's a good moment to buy again tomorrow, again, when I'm also doing my webinar for the premium members. Anyway, if you would like to see more information, go to cryptoacademy.nl. Hasta la vista. Bye.